A criminal case involving that Heights murder home after a stranger showed up and claimed it was theirs.
Yeah, it comes after we've reported on several properties the same man has claimed rights to, including another where a murder happened. And this is video of investigators back out at that house today. This is where Lee Gilley and Christa Bauer's home was, and it's where he allegedly killed her nearly 2 years ago before fleeing to Italy while on bond.
KPRC 2 News reporter Bryce Newberry explains why investigators say this ownership dispute might not be an isolated incident.
The man at the center of this ownership battle is tied to several properties which owners say he has no rights to. And after investigators say he tried to steal this Heights home while the family deals with tragedy, Constable Alan Rosen says his office has launched a much broader criminal investigation. On Alston Street Monday, Harris County Precinct 1 Constable investigators carried away boxes of evidence after removing recently installed surveillance cameras and changing the locks at the home worth more than $1 million.
This family has got their house back.
It's where Lee Gilley allegedly murdered his pregnant wife, Christa Bauer, in October 2024, then lived while on bond for capital murder. That is, until he cut off his ankle monitor in May and flew to Italy, where he's claimed asylum weeks before his trial.
This is very much akin to a squatter, and to take advantage of a family when they're already hurting, when they already have chaos in their lives. They lost a daughter.
A deed filed in Harris County property records shows a transfer of the home to Matthew Jackson and Save a Life Homes LLC, signed days after investigators executed a search warrant when Gilley left the country. A trespassing affidavit is now posted on the front door, replacing paperwork posted at the house showing Jackson claimed adverse possession, a grueling legal process that Constable Alan Rosen says didn't happen here. Last year, Houston police arrested Jackson at a different home where a murder happened, while records show other questionable property filings, including claiming ownership of this nearly $2 million memorial home owned by a bank.
There's a much bigger process that's going on right now, but I don't want to go into any details about the current investigation.
While Rosen says a criminal investigation is underway, Jackson has not been named a suspect and is not facing any criminal charges tied to the deed transfer of the Heights murder house.
There's a special place for this person. Again, this family has suffered greatly.
In addition to the criminal investigation, Harris County Attorney Abby Kamen's office is also investigating on the civil side. And despite there being no charges yet, Rosen says he hopes to have an arrest soon. This case, he said, has also brought his attention to other similar cases. He's urging anyone dealing with an attempted property takeover to contact his office. I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.